Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been a long time since I have not made any videos of any backtesting, or I have not uploaded any video related to trading since past December. But I think from Jan onwards I'll try to upload as much as content as possible, and as much as learning content uh, that might help you in your trading journey. So today we will do some back testing. This is going to be the first video of 2025. So here what I'm gonna do from now onwards, before making any back testing, before starting any back testing session. So I'm gonna generate random dates based on the last year maybe, and then we will pick one date so that it will bring some transparency in our backtesting. So I'll keep only Monday, so because we usually start our week from Monday. So let's get some dates and let's see. So we got this 5th of Feb, 19th of Feb. Since we are in the Jan, I think let's start with 19th Feb 2024. Let's just pick this date. Let's jump into our simulation settings, and we'll pick 19th of Feb, right? So this was the date that we picked. So we'll do some basic setups, uh, like standard chat. 15-minute time frame is pretty much uh, standard for me, and we'll start the simulation. Let me close this. Let me do some basic chart setup here. We will trade, uh, probably I'll trade with 0.5 or 0.1 lot on the $10,000 account, and we will be focusing upon only US dollar. So I am only interested in seeing some, if there is any major events like this high impact news coming to the US dollar. So yeah, today this is 19th of Feb, and on 19th of Feb I don't think we have any major news coming up. So session, as we know, I'll trade pre-London to London Open and London session. So let's jump to the 7 hour time, which is a pre-London. So 5, I'm just forwarding the candles. Yeah, 7 o'clock, right? So 7 o'clock, we'll do a top-down analysis from starting from daily to 4 hour to 1 hour to 30 minute, and then to 15 minute. Yeah, one more tool that I like is Bento. Okay, so daily, yeah, as we can see, we are in an uptrend on the daily time frame. This is those people who are new to this channel, these are all simulated price action. This is not real. This I do it for back testing, to refine my strategy, to find some to overcome some mistakes that I'm doing in my trading. So yeah, it really helps. I think this is the best way that you can what you can teach yourself. You can gain some knowledge, and you can do some R&D on your trading style. So yeah, daily is an uptrend. This candle is bullish. This broke the high 2016, and we probably coming into this 2025 area. These are the price value that I'm talking about. Let's jump to the 4 hour time frame now and see. 4 hour, let's mark some zones that we created a support, and on the top side we have the price. I think approaching this resistance. We had, I think, this major news. This could be a news impact, this big candle. On the 1 hour time frame, okay, 1 hour time frame, we already created a support here and we are pushing up. So now I can shift my this bottom zone to the top, and now since I know this is going to be the target, I want to create one more additional zone based on 1 hour time frame. And this, now we jump to the 30-minute time frame. This, on the 30-minute time frame, we have this resistance, and this was your 1 hour support. Now we can shift this based on 30-minute and see we have now got a support and we now got a resistance. Now if I was present in the market and I would have seen this kind of move, I would have executed a buy here and anticipate price to continue pushing to the top. But right now we can't take a buy because now we are in this 51 pip 50 pip range. We want price to break above this, and then we have a clean candle to the left hand side. But all we want now price to just break above this. So let's start the stimulation. All you want for price to break above this zone and then continue pushing to the top, break and close above this. It is really important. For since today is a Monday, I think I messed up with spreads here, but that's all right. I should have kept a fixed spread. This spread, as you can see, this is the spreads. They are a little bit higher right now, 3.3 pip spread, which is a little bit higher, not usual. So yeah, wait for 30-minute candle to break and close above this area, and then we will see if we can execute a buy. But unless and until we are not, I'm not taking impulse entry here, because since it is Monday, and Monday you usually don't have a lot of volume, so you wait for the candle confirmation. Now 30-minute candle closed, but we closed below this resistance area. We did not break and close above it, so there is still no trade. We have this, okay. Maybe this was a clean range, but my bias is bullish, so I want price to break and close above this area. I'm not taking this sell, when the price broke below this, you had this range, but I'm not interested in sales right now. I want price to kind of break and close above this. So now 30-minute candle is closing. 30-minute candle closed. We closed below this area, right? We closed below this area. 15-minute is still bullish, so that's all right. If 1 hour has also closed bearish, so it made sense that price could consolidate in this area. So 15-minute now is pushing up. 15-minute close bearish, but this 15-minute candle, it closed bearish, right? And if this is breaking below this, we might continue pushing down, right? Wait for 30-minute to close. 30-minute is closing 3 2 1. Yeah, 30-minute close bearish. We also close bearish on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so we're breaking below this. And with volume, I think we could continue pushing to the downside here based on, but this is like, we broke below this, the candle is still open. But we have, the only problem here is that we have this 15-minute support, that 15 pip support, and that's the thing. Yeah, we're breaking below this, right? Maybe with volume we go down, I don't know. This is 1 hour support. Forward this candle. See right now, so there is no trade since we closed bullish here and we created a support. Now see, the price came down, it rejected, and we are consolidating, so there is no trade. So let's forward this candle. We close bearish again, right? Okay, but I don't like this trade. If we are now, we created a support, we're still in this range. We have 1 hour candle now. Yeah, consolidation, nothing more than that. So no trade. It was Monday and I don't think we had any trade on Monday. So see, Monday usually the only trade made sense was this, because we had the support, price came down, we created a high, and we then created this support. Maybe I think if when this candle closed bearish, we could have executed on this and we had this 24 pip range, but I wanted, my bias was bullish, so that's all right. Now we are going into NY session, so let's just go to the next day and see if we can get something out of it. 5, 6 and 7. Okay, let me reset the chart. Daily, as you can see, we closed bullish, we created a support. This candle should continue pushing to the top side. We are pretty much bullish in the market, so we are looking for buys on gold. So this was your resistance on the 4 hour. This is your new support on the 4 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame closed bullish, right? 1 hour has closed bullish, and if you just make something like this, this is your support on the 1 hour time frame, and we also have got this 1 hour support. So if we take a buy, price should continue pushing to the top in this 31 pip range, but based on a 30-minute time frame, it's really tough based on a 30-minute time frame. So if 15-minute time frames, in the 15-minute candle closed with no wick at the bottom, on the 1 hour it make a lot of sense that price should wick down and continue pushing to the top. So let's see if what we get on the 15-minute time frame. If we just take a buy here, the spreads are a little bit higher here. If we take a buy, we have 20 pip sell. 30-minute, we have some rejection. 30-minute is not a good price action, so I want at least 15-minute candle to close bullish, and then we can take a buy, right? So that we also have a wick on a 1 hour time frame. So 15-minute closing bullish makes a lot of sense here to take a buy. Yeah, 15-minute close bullish, so maybe we take a buy and anticipate price to continue pushing to the top, since overall 1 hour time frame should be the, let's just go with the buy, keep stop loss below this and keep TP above this. So yeah, this candle should continue pushing to the top in this area, right? Let me slow it down a little bit. Since I took this trade based on the 1 hour time frame, I think uh, we I wanted 15-minute to close bullish. Since how many pips we are up? We are up 6 pips, and yeah, 9, 10, oh wow, 11 pips at this point. Maybe what we can do, secure some partials. Yeah, 15 pip. Wow, there is a volume. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the take profit. I'm gonna secure 80% and keep this stop loss, which was here. So now I'm managing my risk. I've already secured some position, and now I'm gonna keep it break even, right? So in case if we get a volume, price will continue pushing to the top, right? So yeah, that's it. We still close bullish, right? So if we close bullish and if we breaking above this, right, if the candle, this 15-minute candle close bearish, our one position is still open, and 30-minute has now closed bearish. If this candle breaks and starts breaking the high and close above this, there is a very high probability that I will add another position, and we'll see. Yeah, 30-minute close bullish now. Ooh, 30-minute is closing bullish. It means we created a support. It's a very strong candle. I want to add one more position here because it's a good buy. We'll keep stop loss, remove the TP, and I want price to continue pushing to the top. Now, since we created a support on a 30-minute time frame, right? If this 15-minute candle close bearish, then I might manage risk. Maybe we're creating a bottom wick here and then continue pushing to the top. Ooh, now it should push up since 15-minute has now closed bearish, but we taking this trade based on a 30-minute time frame. So if 30-minute now it should move up. Now it should move up. This candle, it perfectly grabbed the liquidity, and now it is moving up. So this is a perfect example of buy. I think this candle should go up, man. Wow, close bullish, candle wick down, going up. This position, if we go up like 20, yeah, look at that, very nice, good trade. We are up 6 pip on that second position and 27, 28 pip on our first position, which was when we took the trade at the bottom. So 15-minute is still closed bullish. The next 15-minute candle should break this high and then continue pushing to the top. That's a good idea to price in this clean range. So maybe we move till 2025, and that should be it. So yeah, now what I can do, if now I can manage my risk. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna modify this stop loss below this 30-minute candle. Now I'm just managing my risk, right? I'm not, if price comes down and starts breaking the low, then I'm out of this both trades. But since we are in an uptrend, we breaking this high, this candle should continue pushing to the top, and it should not break. In the perfect scenario, this candle should create a bottom wick. Once it break the high, yeah, there is your trade. 2025 here somewhere I should be booking my partials. So 15-minute will close in some time. Yeah, 15-minute close. Wow, there we go. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to secure this position and I'm going to close let's say 60 or maybe 75% of this trade, and I'm going to break even this trade now there is no risk involved in this trade. We already secured 2.2%, and I expect that price should continue pushing to the top in this area. See this target, this is going to be my target for this trade, and once price reaches this area, I'm gonna close this trade. So yeah, this is when you let your runners run, because you have secured profits. And now even if this price comes down and hit your stop loss, you're not going to lose anything, and this is going to boost your confidence as well, because most of the time people, they're scared of not people, but we as trader in the beginning, we are scared of losing, and we don't want price to hit our stop loss. So to gain this confidence and to gain this to get comfortable with the price action is really important, and the one way is to uh, let your small positions run in certain period of time and watch how it moves. So I'm just gonna forward this candle. Yeah, see this. See, in this perfect price action scenario, price, as you can see, price, when price broke this high, this candle, see, price respected the lows of each previous candle. They did not break, and this is what you want price to, this is what you want, you expect price to do, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna uh, trail this stop loss. I'm gonna trail this stop loss below this candle now. Yeah, now it should, once it closed bullish, it closed bearish, this candle, yeah, we closed bearish. Yeah, now what you want to do, we created another support, so let's trail this stop loss below this, and once it reach at the top, you want price to, yeah, yeah, perfect, our target is hit. Now I'm gonna close this entire position, and now we'll move on to the next day. Look at how beautiful this price action was. Yeah, price, see, when we mark this zone, see how price reacted to this zone. This was your resistance, and see how price reacted to this resistance, and then it is coming down, and it's not necessary that price should reverse from this, since uh, we are in an uptrend, but it makes sense for us to close your positions or book your positions when you reach certain areas in the market. So yeah, let's go to the next day, which is, see, price consolidating right now. Maybe we're gonna get some move in the New York, and no, we did not have a great move in New York, so let's just go to another 6, yeah, 7, and all I'm focusing in this session is to take 1 or 2 trades a day. So if you lose one trade of the day, then you'll ask yourself that how I can give my trade a second chance, but not more than that, because it is really important. Daily is bullish. We could come up into this 2037 area on the 4-hour time frame. We form a support, and now we have some sort of a resistance at the top, right? And we do have some sort of a consolidation to the left. Let's see. So 1 hour we closed, we created a resistance on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour we have resistance, and this is your support. Oh, wow, this would have been a good entry to take a buy, but that's all right. 30-minute we are consolidating. So if we get a break and close above this, then we have good probability of price going up. But at the same time, we also need to look at these wicks. Yeah, so now these wicks on the 15-minute makes sense. If we get a break above this, then it makes sense to take a buy. But if we break below this, then we have some issues on the 15-minute time frame, which is only 15 pip. So let's see. We close, we are breaking. So 15-minute, yeah, it closed bullish. We are just consolidating at the moment. Okay, so we close below this. On the 15-minute time frame, I can't take a sell because we have another support down here. Oh, that's an issue. Maybe if I get some sort of confirmation on 30-minute time frame, then I might look for sells, but it's tough. It's not easy to take sales since we do close below this. And so 15-minute now closed bullish. This 15-minute, next 15-minute candle, we are, yeah, so 30-minute close like this. Now if 30-minute has closed like this and the next 30-minute candle break and close below this, can we take an impulse entry for to correct this entire move is what I'm thinking right now. So if we break below this, oh yeah, I think this impulse entry for price to go down makes a lot of sense to me. But it is breaking like in a first win. This is a London Open as well, so maybe take a sell here. Oh, but okay, 1 hour, 4 hour is closed. So should we wait for price to break and close? Wait, I think I like to wait here because we are breaking in the first 2 minutes. So if price created a top wick, then it would have made sense. But yeah, I want to wait. I don't want to rush in. Yeah, see, we broke in the first 2 minutes, and what happened? Price created a bottom wick, and then we're breaking the high. So you better wait. So 15-minute closing bullish, I think. Yeah, 15-minute close consolidate. It closed bullish, but it is consolidating. Nothing much. Now if it is breaking the low, I think, yeah, I think it is a good probability for us to take a sale. Maybe impulse entry to go down, and we will risk one lot. Yeah, I like sell here based on this, except, yeah, this candle should break and close below this and then go down. But 30-minute is still open, and okay, 30-minute now volume should go down. Yeah, now, yeah, perfect. This is good. This is a perfect example of a counter trade. Counter trade, since we are in an uptrend and I expect this price to go down, expect the next 30-minute candle to create a top wick and then push down. And in the counter trade trend, we have clean range for price to go down, but you have to secure partials on the way down to this 2023 area. This is what, how many pips we are up? We are up like 10, 12 pips, perfect. Now, yeah, 14 pips, close partials, close 80%. Let break even, now risk free trade. Forward it, now perfect. This candle closed a strong bearish, but it doesn't mean that they see now as soon as we moved away from this zone, this 30-minute zone, now the probability of price coming up, retest and then push down becomes higher. So that is the reason why I booked my partials at this area 2026. Yeah, see, now the next candle, it just came right back up. It came right back up. And now if you read the price action, if you know how to read the price action, then you will when you go on a 15-minute time frame, then you will understand that this candle, it was a big bearish candle. This candle, it was a big bear. Look at the size of this candle. It is a big bearish candle. This candle, it has a volume. It is a bearish candle, but look at the volume in this candle. The wicks are bigger than the body. Same goes with this. So it means that volume to going down is now decreasing, so that you it is better for you to close some partials if you are in this trade. Let's see now what happens. See, we are still closing below this support area. We still bullish, and yep, then price, yeah, then we had this ugly price action. Now there is nothing. Let's go to the next day now. Let's just go to Thursday, which is, let me check we have any news coming up this week, 6 and 7, right? And let me check. Today is what, 20, we are 22nd of Feb, and we have unemployment claims, flash PMI. Okay, we have some news, but they are in the New York session, which is 13.30. Right now we are trading London, so yeah, daily is still bullish. I still expect daily candle to continue pushing to the top and make higher highs and higher lows. 4-hour time frame, we again have some resistance and we have some support form. It is really important for us to understand what is happening on the higher time frame, which is 4-hour and daily, so that you can gauge the overall momentum of the market, because these lower time frames, they contribute overall to the higher time frames. So yeah, it is very ugly consolidation, to be honest. Be creating high highs and high lows, but the price, the only, I think, this resistance I want price to break. I'm not inclined to take a sale, because there are a lot of issues. See, from here to here, this is 23 pip, from here to here. So yeah, I don't like it. So price closed above this. We are breaking above this on the 1-hour time frame. Really important to recognize that we close with no wick at the top on the 30-minute time frame, so you gotta wait. Yeah, so now we close above this. Yeah, I think this is a good opportunity to take a buy. since we close above this area. And yeah man, I like this buys. 1 2 3 4, fifth candle. But on the 15 minute we have 1 2 3 4 and fifth candle that is pushed bullish. So maybe if we wait for some sort of a retracement on the 15-minute time frame, then we take a buy. It makes a lot of sense for me at least. So because 1 2 3 4 fifth candle is pushing, and then you expect sixth candle to go up. Oh yeah, and it could go up, but I have to be sure. Oh wow. So yeah, it was a good trade. Wow, look at that. 15-minute close above this. So this was a good trade indeed, but the only problem was a 15-minute time frame. Yeah, look at that. See this? We closed, we went up, and then we coming straight back down, straight down. This is really a volatile candle. This is a volatile candle. So you gotta wait. So now, okay, now if this candle starts breaking the high, maybe we'll look for some impulse entries for price to continue pushing to this 2037 area, because 15-minute now has closed bullish. So all I want this candle to wick down and then break the high, and then we go up. But the another scenario would be if we come down, then let this price create a support and then we go up. So 15-minute close. Wow, we came right back into the range. Wow, we came back in the range now. Now your zones have changed. This become your top zone, and yeah, we can't take a sell here because your stop loss is going to be 41 pips. Even on the 15-minute time frame it is 28 pip. So yeah, 15-minute now close, 30-minute close bullish. So if 30-minute closing bullish, and I like buys here because we close bullish. We close bullish here, and if we create a bottom wick here, a good bottom wick, then I like buys. If we're breaking the high, if this candle start breaking, start flipping, so 15-minute now closing, 15-minute close bearish, right? But if this candle flipping, can we take a buy and anticipate price to continue go up? 4 hours bearish, daily still bullish, 1 hour is bearish. Okay, yeah man, I like these buys. Wait for this 30-minute candle to close. Yeah, I like buys here. I like buy below this maybe, and I don't want to hold this buys. I expect price to test this high. Once it break the high, it would be 28 pip range. Ooh, 15-minute close. Okay, I want to close partials here. I don't want to hold this trade. Yeah, now we are now I want to close this trade. Yeah, maybe this was a, yeah, the only way I wanted is that this price to continue making higher highs and higher lows. So that's all right. Let's jump to the next day. We came right back. So maybe we could consider this as a fake out, right? Or yeah, we had this, but sales I was not interested because we had a lot of issues here. So let's go to the next day. We Friday. The only best trade I think I should have taken was like here when it broke the high. That's all right. Okay. Daily now we created resistance. So if this candle is breaking below this, I think we should see some sort of a bearish moment in this bullish trend. So this was your support on the 4-hour time frame. If price creating resistance, then we should drop into this 2014 area. Let's see if lower time frames are confirming. We are in this consolidation. This is your 30-minute time frame, 1-hour time frame, sorry. We broke below this candle came right back into the zone. So this we can call it a fake out because we had moved down and this candle came right back up and we have clean range to the top. Maybe I'll keep my stop loss below this 15-minute candle and then anticipate price to go up. Makes 1 hour also rejected. So yeah, I think so. Let me see. This candle should wick down and then go up, since this was a fake out. Oh, it is breaking below this. Wow. So 15-minute is now closing 3 2 1. 15-minute close bearish, but it closed with a small body. So I think it makes sense that the next candle should go up. This candle breaks the high and then go up. Since 30-minute is flipping bullish, and then we go up 30-minute. Oh, 3 2 1, we close bullish. Very nice. We are closing bullish. We created a support. Now if this candle breaks the low of previous 15-minute candle, then I am, but the 30-minute body is weak body. If this candle start breaking the low, then I'll close some partials. 2 pip. Ooh. 15-minute is still open, right? 15 is still struggling. Yeah, but since we have this clean range, I should go up 4 pip. 15-minute close bullish. Price should go up now because we are trending up. So we're breaking the low here on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, okay, 8 pip. Very nice, good trade. The bodies are okay. 15-minute closing bullish again. I don't want to hold this trade because price is struggling a lot. Maybe I'll close partials. Okay, let me close partials here. Or now the two things that we can do here. If we close partials here, then I'll bring my stop loss to break even. But The another way could be, if you expect this price to continue pushing up, then the managing risk would be, keep your stop loss below this 30-minute candle. And yeah. Oh wow. I should have booked my positions here, but that's all right. So, but I manage risk. Yeah, I manage my risk there. It should have gone up. Wow, this was a good sale. Maybe price continue pushing down till there, but we are at the support area. Let's see if we can give our trade a second chance right here, since the overall trend is bearish. And we are, yeah, I like sales here, to be honest. And price should drop till this 35 pip range. Taking sell here, keeping stop loss above this candle, and I expect price to continue pushing down. Wow, yeah, this is a good sell till maybe this area at least 30-minute. Wow, yeah. So we are coming down. 15-minute close bullish here. So maybe we close some partials. What should we do? Modify our stop loss above this candle. Okay, so two times we got stopped out, but it's okay, we manage risk, we're still profitable. But if you can see that we break above and close this 15 pip, we would have caught. And not every day you're gonna catch runners, but to be honest, these trades, they were great, like 15-20 pips. If you're targeting, then overall you're gonna. But the only thing that I was looking for is, see if we can scale after price going down in your favor, and manage risk. So we were able to manage risk on most of the trades. We made, let's say, 1.77%. But imagine if we had booked all these profits, then probably we would have been 4 or 5% up for the week. And I think, yes, that's it for the session. Let's see what happens. Since Friday and Monday, you usually gonna get a crazy moves like this, consolidations where people are enjoying their weekend. So Monday and Friday you have to trade cautiously. We broke above this, and I think there is a very high probability that we would go up, but you want price to create some sort of a support. Yeah, we went up, price is pushing up. 30-minute is still going up, nothing. Yeah, came down, close bullish. So overall daily we are going up. We are continuing the top long momentum, and maybe we'll come up this 2031 area. We now have got this resistance here. Wow, this is a good buy. Yeah, so this would have been your impulse entry based on a 1 hour time frame, right? So as soon as this candle breaks the high, you take and buy, and then expect price to go up. Wow, look at the volume now. Yeah, here perfect example to take a buy. I mean, very high probability for price to continue pushing to the top side. 20 pip. 15-minute close bullish. We breaking the highs, breaking the lows. This candle close bearish. Maybe you manage risk, but 30-minute overall is bullish. Very nice. Wow. Now I'll do the same thing. Manage risk. Right. Oh, almost got tapped out. Almost. And wow. Close bullish. Oh, yeah. Stopped out. That's all right. So see this, we close almost, we went 28 pip. So yeah, that's it from this week. This last trade was just an experimental one, and really we could have secured the position, but that's all right. So the purpose behind this is to understand how price works, how price creates higher highs and higher lows and lower highs and lower lows on this 30-minute and 1 hour time frame, and stick to your plan. Right, stick to your plan. If you have your plan says that I'm gonna take 15-20 pips, then easily you could have, see this 3 trades, this was a winner, this was a winner, and even this trade, this was just a what you can call it, a experimental trade. I usually don't like trading late on Friday, but even this trade, it went 30 pip in profit and it was a winner. So at this position, maybe you could have kept your stop loss at break even and you manage risk, but that's all right. So thank you guys, thank you so much. I hope you like the content. It's not really about making profits and showing profits in the simulation. It's all about how you are understanding the price action, how you are understanding the market structure and following your plan. So I hope you like the content. I hope you are learning something out of this, and you are gaining some knowledge out of this. So thank you so much. I'll make sure that I post regular content from now onwards. My trade analysis, my trade breakdowns, on regular basis. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope you liked it. Have a great weekend. Thank you.